So the first key selling point is the new iconic design. Huawei Watch GT4 comes with the new iconic and premium design, which it makes it different from any other smartwatch in the market right now. With the brilliant diamond cut and the octagonal headlights, which is inspired by the performance cars, Huawei Watch GT4 takes the lead comparing to any other smartwatch in the market. Also, with the different colors and different strap material, you will never get bored of your watch. You will always feel that you have new watch. So just imagine that if you are in gathering with your friends, so with the premium design of the watch on your wrist, you will be having a charm which is nobody have it. And the second key selling point is the 14 days battery life. Our new Huawei Watch GT4 takes the lead in terms of the battery life comparing to any other smartwatch in the market right now. So with the up to 14 days of battery life, you will have peace of mind. Just imagine that if you are on long trip and you forgot your charger, so with the new Huawei Watch GT4 you don't need to worry about it. Your Huawei Watch GT4 got you covered with up to 14 days of battery life. Also in 100 minutes only you can charge the new Huawei Watch GT4 from 0 to 100% in only 100 minutes, guys. Also it supports the wireless charge, so you can charge it from your phone in emergency cases. And the third key selling point here is upgraded 24/7 health management. So Huawei Watch GT4 comes with the new innovative health features, which it makes it the best watch to track your overall health condition. So with the new Huawei TrueSyn 5.5 Plus, our new Huawei Watch GT4 will track your heart rate from the moment you wake up till the end of the day. And it will give you an alert on any abnormal changes. Also with the sleep breathing awareness, Huawei Watch GT4 can help you to know your sleep apnea risks by detecting the amount of the blood oxygen drop and changing of the heart rate during sleep throughout the night, and it gives you advices in order to improve your sleep quality. Also with the Huawei True Relax, Huawei Watch GT4 can monitor your mental health by tracking your stress level during the whole day. Also with the 24/7 SpO2, Huawei Watch GT4 will monitor the amount of the oxygen in your blood, and it will give you an alert in case of any abnormals.